Let me talk about motivation for a second because I'm telling you right now, I'm not here to motivate you. I know that sounds bad, but it's true. You have to get in the habit of stop chasing motivation. You watch YouTube videos, you listen to podcasts, you read an article. All those things give you a temporary jolt, a temporary motivation. Motivation don't mean anything if you don't have systems in place to actually make some advances, make some progress. You can have all the motivation in the world, but you got to have some systems. Let me just say it this way. The key to your financial success is not motivation. Motivation looks good, it feels good, it sounds good, but it's useless unless you're building something. Motivation is useless unless you are creating something that you can that will help you. Motivation is useless unless you are producing something from it. You have to be a producer. You can't say, I want to get more wealth. I want to have more money. I want to invest more money. I want to save more money. And you ain't creating and producing anything on your own. You cannot be the person that sits back and wait on everything to happen to you. Because if you do that, things will happen to you. What I'm saying is you got to be the person that gets out front and be a self-starter and say, you know what, I'm going to go do this, right? I'm going to create my goals. I'm going to write them down. I'm going to come up with a system to achieve those goals, some action steps and things I'm going to do. You got to do it. Let me say this, if you have to feel like it every time you do something constructive with your money, you're already losing. You're already going to lose. You cannot wait on you to feel like it. That's what motivation is. Oh, I'm good. I'm motivated. 2 days from now, I'm not motivated no more. You can't wait on motivation, right? Because the reason is because there are going to be days in your life that you don't feel like budgeting. There's going to be days in your life that you do not feel like logging on to your Vanguard account and investing, right? There's going to be days you don't feel like doing anything. Hello. How many can say that, right? We all have those days. We don't feel like doing nothing. Here's the deal. If you got systems in place, they're running in the background no matter how you feel. No matter if you're motivated or you're not motivated, your system is running. Right? Despite how, motivated or depressed or down and out or hyped up you are, mad you are, happy, none of that matters. I'm saying feelings are good. They're important. That's why we have them. But when it comes to what you're trying to achieve financially, you can't be hung up on how you feel. You got to have something in place that's going to work whether you feel like it or not. See, wealth is not built on your best days when everything is wonderful. Oh my goodness, this is great. A great day, beautiful sunshine. Wealth is not built just on your best days. Wealth is built on your average days, on your bad days, on your best days, on your worst days. You're still building wealth because you got systems in place. Systems remove your feelings and they neutralize the ineffectiveness of motivation. I know that sounds bad that I said that I can't motivate you, but it's true. And sometimes when it comes to our money, we don't like to hear the truth. We like to feel good.